Good evening, Sharmila.
Evening, ma'am.
Am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Sharmila.
Sharmila. All right. Nice. So we have 10 people already here with us, and we'll wait a few more minutes just to see if anyone else joins. Yes. Said sir, will Adam sir be joining us today?
I think so, but you can start whenever you wish. You
Sure.
can start it.
Sure, definitely. I'll just wait. Ladies, what say you? Shall we wait 2 more minutes to see if anybody else joins?
Yeah,
We'll
sure,
give
ma'am.
them, yeah, we'll give them 2 more minutes. And I am so happy to have a vibrant crowd today. I mean, I got responses from all of you. That itself is a great thing for me. So we'll have a fun day today. Tasneem. I have another lady here, Tasneem Banu. Umras Fatima. We have a few more people joining. That's good. Kaiva Nisa. Hi Tasneem. Hi Umras. Okay, all of them are connecting. We'll wait. Hi Umras Fatima. Hi Khairun.
Hi.
Someone started screen sharing now. Yeah, it's over. All right. So, good evening, Tasneem. Am I audible? Hi, Tasneem.
Yes. Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Nice to have you today here. Thank you for joining.
Oh, Jazakallah.
I have another participant, AIM Nursery and Primary School. May I know your name, please? Hello, good evening. May I know your
Good
name,
evening,
please?
ma'am. Yeah, this is me, Rakshana. Sorry for the
Akshana.
delay. I'm
Oh,
in
that's all
the
right.
class.
That's perfectly all right.
I'll rename my name. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I really appreciate it. All right, so we shall start. And I have an Oppo A37F. Now I wonder who that is. I think you all had a very heavy lunch or good sleep today. All of you are very much energetic. Very happy to see all of you with such enthusiastic face. Always have this energy, ladies. Always. It brightens the day. Hi, Oppo A37F. Could you please tell me your name and let me know if I'm audible? Hi, Oppo 837S. Could you please name yourself? Our Oppo is very shy to speak. And so we have 16 participants now. All right, we shall start then. And hi, Rishman. Rishman, is it? I'm not sure if she is able to hear me. All right, we'll go ahead. So, good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Menon. I am your co-teacher for today. Adam sir will be joining us very shortly. So, thank you all for joining here today. Thank you, Said sir, for giving us an opportunity to meet up and upskill ourselves in the topic communicative English. So I'm seeing a lot of new faces today that I have not seen previously. And thank you so much for joining here today. It means a lot. So before we start, I would like to tell you a story. I think last time we spoke about a story of a baby elephant. Today, we'll be speaking, I will be telling you a story of a girl. All right. So there is a girl. So I don't know if any of you have. Are you all from India? Just give me a thumbs up for all the people who are currently residing in India or have their education done in India. Yeah, thank you, Kamila. I too am I too studied in India. So anyone else? Thank you, Kaironisa. Thank you, Yusra. So for this thumbs up, all you need to do is go to the reaction button and give me that thumbs up icon or any other icon that I, anything is fine. So yeah, Samina has also given me a thumbs up. All right, cool. So I think most of you might know what I'm talking about. So uh, this girl, she took after her 10th standard a stream called Biomaths. So it basically consists of all the subjects in science as well as mathematics. So once she appeared in her 11th standard, she was introduced to a laboratory class called physics. So we had physics laboratory classes. Now, physics laboratory classes for her, it was very tough. Very tough in the sense that when she started doing the experiments, her hands would tremble, it would shake. Why would it shake? Because she was so nervous, she was so scared, because she thought she could not do it. So 11th grade, she somehow, struggled. And I think Hudaifa has raised her hand. Is there something you want to say, Hudaifa? Or I think it might be an accident. If there is something, you can just unmute yourself and speak, all right? There's no issues. All right. So may I continue with my story? Yeah. So 11th grade, she somehow got through. Uh, she did the experiment, somehow it worked. Now you all know the dreaded year, 12th standard. It has the board examination, central board secondary examination, which is like a life-changing examination for a student's education. So if you want to go for a higher college, you have to score well. Now, this girl, she is so nervous, she is so scared that she does not know what to do. Even when she sees the equipment, even when she tries to, take an equipment, her hands shake. Her whole body just trembles. She is that nervous. All right. Now, the day before her main lab exam in physics, her parents, they know her very well, and they've seen her worry about this the whole time. So you know what they did? they took her to a tuition center. So in the place where she lives, in the nearby city, there is a tuition center which provides physics experiment trials for students to try out at a price. So they took her there, and the instructors there, they helped her out. And that day she did pretty well, and she was like, all right, maybe I can do this after all. The next day, it's a physics main lab exam, and she's going there. So we have the system called picking from the lot. So whatever number that you pick, the corresponding experiments, we have two experiments to do. All right. Those two experiments, she will have to do it. She picked the experiment. She got two experiments that she knows, and she started to do the experiments. But you know, the thing about experiments is you have to get the reading right. So why do we do the experiments? We do the experiments to get the concept correctly, to prove that this theory is true. Turns out her readings are not correct. And she has no idea what to do. And she is again back to the same fit of nerves. She's trembling, she's looking around, her face just shows how nervous she is. And the teachers there, they also are saying this. They can't help her out because they know that no matter what they say, she might not, she may or may not listen. She's very nervous, sweating. Her whole face shows how she is feeling. And then once the exam was over, the teacher informed this girl that she got the lowest mark in the history of all the students that who attended the physics lab exam for a CBSE class in the school ever. Now this girl, just think, I think all of you might be able to relate this. This girl, she has been trying and trying and trying, and she hears this, and she's so broken because she has tried a lot, she has put her whole effort in, and she just has it in her mind that she's bad at it. She's not good at doing it anymore. So she's thinking that uh, she's a failure. And from the look of the teacher's eyes, she knows that she is a disappointment. So here the culture is that if you throw a stone in the air, it is going to fall either on an engineer or a doctor's head, because that is the profession that parents in our generation always try to choose. She was obviously presented with these two options, and one was an engineer and one was a doctor. She chose the best of the two devils, engineering. Now just think, engineering is a course which consists of a major subject called physics. This physics is, hello Yasmin, Sultan Bibi, could you please mute yourself? Thank you. Yeah. So it consists of many different branches, physics, which branches out again to electrical, electronics. Now she's in her college. She has to do experiments there too. She has lab exams to, pass in each semester, and she has no idea how to do that as well. But surprisingly, what happens is she goes to her college. She's climbing the stairs. So we all have that custom wherein we have to wear a white color coat. And it's called a lab coat. We have to wear a white color lab coat while we are doing the experiments. So it's a must. If you don't have that lab coat, we are not allowed to enter into the laboratory. So she wears this white color lab coat, And there are a few pockets, about 4 pockets, one on the upper side, and near the end of the shirt, there is also another 2 pockets on either side. And she has her hands, her fingers inside that pocket just to show everyone that she's not trembling. She does not want to see anyone to see her trembling fingers. She's that nervous. And she's climbing up the stairs to the laboratory, which is in the top of the building, all right, on the top floor of the building. Now she goes there. Again, the same thing. She is put into different groups. They are all doing the experiments. This time, something happens. She gets an approximate reading. Her team gets the approximate reading. It's not that bad. So initially, she had this shivering, but later on, it went. Now, today, before I end the story, I'm going to ask each and every one of you something. I request each and every one of you here today to please listen, encourage, fail, and help others. I want you to listen to others. I want you to encourage all those people who are silent here today to speak up. And when they fail, when you fail, when I fail, give a pat on the shoulder and say, that is all right. We have all been here today and we'll get through this together. Now that's how a team works. Now, do you want me to complete the story? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a reaction. I want a thumb. Thank you, Kamla. What about the others? Are you guys sleeping? Hi, Reshmin. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm getting lots of thumbs up. Wow. I'm having a very interactive group today. Yeah. Now, so this is about the physics laboratory. Second semester, she has electrical laboratory where she's supposed to light a bulb using the electrical circuit diagrams. And in the electronics lab, she's supposed to code a chip. Guess what? She did it. She did all of it. And funny thing is, she did it better than most people. Now, can anyone here please tell me how she changed? What would be the reason? What do you think is the reason that a very nervous, a very trembling, fearful girl changed from shivering to actually doing it, getting it done? Anyone, please? Anything. I'd appreciate anything. Hi, Tasneem, Reshman, Kyron, anybody, please give me any pointers. All right. The thing, hi, Umdras, yes. Is there anything that you want to say? Go ahead.
Hey, Anna.
Hello. All right. Okay. I'll tell you the secret. Atmosphere, environment. See, previously, she was in a place where she was not provided the encouragement, she was not given the confidence to make mistakes and learn. Here, in the second place where she was in her college, the instructors or the teachers or her friends were always ready to help her out. They would sit with her and make sure she understood the concept while she was doing. And even when she failed, they made sure that she had that confidence to come again and do it. And they would always assure her. And the same goes to literally every student in that classroom. Now, this is the kind of classroom that Lights of Kindness provides us here today. This everyday English group here, this community, is something, is a place, it's a safe bubble for us where we can speak out, where we can make mistakes, where it is all right, we are not perfect, and we will readily help each and every person out. Isn't it, ladies? Give me a thumbs up. All right. So if today's session goes well, remind me to tell you the end of the story because I have a pretty surprising end. So today, I want each and every one here to talk. Now, I know if I start calling out names, no one is going to talk. So I'm going to assign two people here today. So we have a lot of time. And let's say I am partnering myself with Laila here. So my duty here is to get to know Laila. So I could ask Laila a few questions about her. And Laila, if she's very hesitant to open up in English, she can speak in any other language that she is comfortable in. I heard that most people here are Tamilians. A few people from here, they speak Tamil very well. I too know a few words in Tamil, so if anyone is here to help translate, that would also be great. Today here, the importance of this section is to get to know each and every one of you, not to speak English. I want you to speak first, and then we'll get to the point of speaking in English. So please, shall I partner you up? Hi, Arti. Are you able to hear me? It's all right. It's all right. Laila says that she has that fear to speak in English. Uh, Laila, could you just give me a hi, please? Just a hi. All right, it's anybody, give me a hi. All those people who think that this platform is very supportive of speaking in English, making failures, please give me a hi. I just need a hi, that's all.
Hi, Akka.
Hi, Arti.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Kamla.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Samrud. Hi, Shamila.
Hi,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much. Yes.
Hi,
Hi.
ma'am.
See, this is
Hi,
what
ma'am.
I'm talking about, ladies. We need to make mistakes. For all those who are speaking up, please speak up more so that your friends right now who's here today will be able to speak freely, will be able to open up. Today, unfortunately, I'm not able to put you in, in rooms. So we have this application for putting each and everyone in rooms. So that's what I had in mind. But since we do not have that today, I hopefully we'll get that in the next session. We'll make this more interesting. So can we can do an activity, let's say. All right. For those who are comfortable speaking to me, just tell me your name. Just tell me where you're from. That's it. Two sentences. Hi, my name is Vaishnavi. I am from Kerala, to be precise, Trivandrum. I said mine. Anyone else?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Kamla.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Kamala. I'm from Chennai.
Thank you, Kamla. I'm putting a heart for you. Thank you for speaking up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. This is Laila from Chennai. My native is Tirunelveli. I have a kid, baby boy. He is 4 years of old.
Wow, Laila, that was great. I really appreciate that. Give a thumbs up. Give a clap, everybody. She deserves it. She spoke up.
Thank you so much. I sent you something. You read out something.
Oh, I'm not sure. I might have missed it. Oh, You're a teacher in a school. Wow, Laila, nice to meet you. Please help me out here. Okay, I am not a teacher. I'm nowhere close to a teacher. I'm just to everyone here today. I am just here to guide you to get over that fear of speaking in English. I'm nowhere close to a teacher, believe me. But being someone who has been in that shoe, just like you, who was afraid to speak up, I definitely can understand what you're going through. All right. So anyone else? So we have Kamla, we have brave Laila who spoke up. Anyone else?
Hi,
Name
ma'am.
and
Good
place.
evening.
Hi Zamrud.
I'm Zamrut and I'm from Chennai. My native is Tirunelveli. I'm from Chennai.
Wow.
How are
So
you?
I'm good. I'm good, Zamrud. Thank you for speaking up. A special
Thank
heart
you.
for you.
Thank you so much.
All right. What about the others?
Hi, ma'am. I'm Karan Nissa. I'm from Gujarat.
You are from, pardon me?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Hi Karanisa. Thank you so much for speaking up. Who else?
Hi, ma'am. I'm Samina Begum from Chennai, ma'am.
From Chennai. Thank you, Samina. Thank you so much for speaking up. Guys, if you support everyone who speaks up, please feel free to give out any kind of emojis that you have in your reaction button. Encourage others. We are a team. We are a tribe of women, and we have to, encourage other people to speak up. Yes, that's it. That's it, ladies. Come on. Who's next?
Hi,
Good
ma'am.
evening.
Oh, I have two. That's great. You choose who wants to speak first.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Mumraz Fatima from Chennai. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Hi, Umraz. Thank you for speaking up. A special,
Thank you,
special
ma'am.
heart for you. And Hudaifa, you want to give it a try?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Hudaifa.
I'm from Chennai.
You're from Chennai. We have a lot of people who are from Chennai. You guys should start speaking to each other to know where you are. Who knows, you guys might be neighbors. I have a lot of people from Chennai. That is, wow, really good. Who wants to give it a try next? Come on.
Hi, Akka. Myself, Keetana, but I posted in the name in the meet as Aarti Venkatesan. It's my sister name. She created that name. I'm from Chennai, too, Ka. That's it. I.
Hi, Kirtana.
Hi,
Nice to
Akka.
know you. And you have a very beautiful voice. Don't you
Wow.
agree, ladies? Yeah, you have a very beautiful voice. Wow. Yes,
Wow.
a special
Thank you,
heart
Akka.
for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, who else? Hi, Yasmin. Thank you for speaking up. Yes, go ahead.
Nice. Yeah, you have very cute smile. I'm from
Thank you
Chennai.
so much.
Yeah.
You're from Chennai. All right.
Yeah. It's
Said sir, we have a
yeah.
gang of people who are from Chennai and very energetic ladies too. Thank you for finding
Please
me
meet
these students.
Yeah.
Please visit us, inshallah.
Sure, definitely. When I get
Yeah.
the chance, I will. Definitely.
Yeah. You are a star of Chennai now, Vaishnavi.
Nothing like that,
Chennai,
sir.
Chennai people are very, very approachable and very good manner people. So they are very affectionate.
I know they just
I
once,
don't know. I don't think that they will leave you simply.
yes,
They will be
they are.
in good relationship with you.
Once they love you, they never stop loving you. I have a
Yeah, true.
few
That's true.
friends
That's
from
true.
I have
Thanks.
a few friends from Chennai who just, when you have any sort of difficulty, if you just reach out to them, they are right there to help you. That is the kind of culture you guys have. It's an amazing culture, really.
Yeah.
Speaking from the heart. Nice to know everyone here. Now, who else? Who wants to give it a try? Give some encouragement, ladies. When someone speaks, we have to make sure that we give our best in the form of smileys or encouragement, giving claps. We need to support others. Come on. Who else?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Yasmin. Hi, Yasmin. All right. Anybody else? Yasmin, you have anything to say? All right. Anybody else who has not spoken yet? Yusra, I think, have you spoken yet so far? I think Laila, Taifa, Kamila, Yasmin, Khairun, Kirtana, Umrash, Ruxana, and Zamrud. All these ladies spoke, right? Have I missed? And Samina too. Others, you want to give a try, please? Just a small, simple try. It's all right if you fail.
I would like to introduce myself. I'm Rakshana. I'm from Chennai.
Hi, Ruxana. Rakshana, right? Rakshana.
Yes, Rakshana.
Rakshana. Do you mind if you tell me the meaning of your name? I have not heard a name like that. Do you know the meaning of your name?
I'll say it's nothing but a radiance, a girl with a radiance, like light, something like that.
Wow, wow. That's a very nice name. Your parents, I'm pretty sure your parents have put a lot of thought when they gave you that name. And I hope you stay true to that name.
Yeah, exactly. It's my mom too.
Wow. Thank you, Rakshana, for speaking up. Thank you so much. And I'll give you a hug. Yes. All right.
Sorry, due to my connection, I couldn't get connected.
That's all right, Rakshana. We all have the same issue. We are all from India. I mean, most of us might be from India, so I know how the network connectivity is here. So that's all right. I have Yasmin Sultan Devi here, and she's unable to speak because she's not well. So hopefully she'll be able to speak next time. And let's give hand clap, a thumbs up, a heart, for speaking up. Yes. Yasmin, next time we hope that you could speak up if possible. All right. Anybody else? Anybody? Please, come on.
Yes, hi ma'am. My name is Yusra.
Yes.
I'm from Chennai.
Thank you, Yusra. Thank you for speaking up. It is very nice to know you. And I am going to give a ta-da symbol for you. It's up here if you can see it on my screen.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Anybody else? Come on.
Hi,
Come on.
ma'am.
Hi, Sharmila.
I'm Sharmila. I'm from Chennai, ma'am.
Good to know you, Sharmila. Thank you for speaking up. That means a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, anybody else? I have some kind of Mohammed Fahad. I think that's a lady. All right. Anybody else? Come on. Is there anybody else to speak?
Hi, I'm Reshman. I'm also from Chennai.
Hi, Reshman. You have a very beautiful name. Thank you for speaking up. Thank you. That means a lot.
Thank you so much.
And I'll give you
Thank
a
you.
hug.
Thank you so much.
Ladies, give her something, some kind of emoticons. We have to, every time someone speaks, we are going to make it a contest to put some kind of an emoji, all right, so that the other person feels better. They feel all right. I'll speak again. We need to give that aura to them. Remember, we are a tribe of women, and we don't just move ahead single-handedly. We move as a team. We are a tribe of people. We are a team, and we move together. That's how we do it. Yes. Now, who else? Anybody else? Anybody who wants to speak, say anything? All right. All right. Today, the reason why I made you, every one of you here, speak at least 2 sentences is because I want to get to know you. That's the first thing. And the second thing, I cannot help you unless you speak up. And I just want to build that small bridge where you are able to, all right, she's a cool teacher. All right, I'll give it a try and speak. I just wanted to give you that. Once you know what, fear is failure. The meaning of failure is not trying. we all have fears. But fear is about something that we don't know. If you have a fear of an examination, you need to write that examination. You need to write that. Fail or win, it doesn't matter. You need to write it because it's like a tunnel. All right. What you don't know, that's called fear. Once you walk through the journey, you'll see, what's the most worst thing that could happen, right? We need to have that attitude. Else we'll always be stagnant. We'll not move forward. So the whole idea here today, I am taking this whole session here today just to make each and every one of you speak. And I really, really appreciate each one of you here today who's supporting me in doing that. And I have a new person here, Suman Fatima. Hi, Suman. Are you able to hear me? If so, could you please give me a thumbs up or say a good evening? I really appreciate it. All right, Suman is being very silent now. Yeah, she's connecting to her audio. All right. How about we play a game today? Do you want to play a game? All right, you can unmute. Everybody can unmute and speak to me. You don't need to be put on mute. Yeah, do you want to play a game today?
Yeah, Ka, of course.
All right. So, everyone has to be active. All right. And I think we have about, so excluding Said sir and Irshad here, I think we have, and me, I think we have 17 participants here today. And all right. So you can make a team and you can help each other out. All right. So let's say I start the game and Kamila is uh, Kamila is the one who's being the participant. You all can support her, suggest some words to her. I'll tell you what the game is about, and you can support her. All right. So I'm just saying, so anybody who's ready, you can try it. So I'll just start sharing my screen. No peeking, ladies, the answers are right there. So no peeking. All right, hold on. Let me just share my screen for you. And I hope you like the game. So 1 second, please. Let me get it. Right. I had this for last session class, but unfortunately I was able to complete it. So today you are very lucky. All right. So I'll just yeah. Okay. Let me see. Show in current slide. All right. Let me know if my screen is sharing. All right.
Yeah, ma'am.
Said sir or Irshad, if you can help me out, I would really appreciate it. I'll tell you what the game is about. So, all right. Are you able to see my screen, ladies?
Yeah, Ka.
Wow, that's good. That's good. So, what do you see in the screen? Tell me. What do you see in the screen?
Numbers, ma'am. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
All right. So, I need 3 people here today. I need 3 people, and every other person is going to support these 3 people. Okay. And you have to choose a number. All right. You have to choose a number. And once you pick a number, we'll be going to that slide. All right. So I'll be putting that slide. And this slide will consist of, let's say I am picking 1. All right. So I'm going to the next slide. 1 second. Yes. I'm going to the next slide. So this is about a word. All right. You may know the word, you may not know the word. This is about a word. It's 4 letters and you have 8 chances. So let's say if the word is bird, so it's BIRD. You don't know any of these words. It's a complete blank. And you can just randomly say, is it a B? Is it a I? Is it a R? Is it a D? You have more than enough chances. And so let's say you did not get it in the first try. So let's say you said A. So if it is not, your first chance gets over. All right. If it is, if you say a K and if it is not there, then I'll let you know that your seventh chance just got over. You have only 6 more chances. And if you say an R, then I'll say, all right, we have an R and it is the third. So if you have a pen and paper, that would be really helpful. Or let me see if I can get you a notepad from somewhere. And Saeed sir or Rishad, if you are here, or any other lady, if you are here, anyone who's ready to help me out, if you could please note down the letters that your friend is saying, I would really appreciate it. I too will be here to note it down, but just support me. All right. We all need to
Yeah,
support
ma'am.
each other. All right. Who wants to give it a first try? All right. I think I accidentally showed you the first word, but please bear with me, ladies. I accidentally did that. All right. So we'll give it a trial. All right. Who wants to go first?
I
I'll
think we
try,
saw the
ma'am.
first word.
Yeah, you guys did, but just to get the idea of the game, we'll play the first one. All right. Okay. So who wants to give it a try? This is just a plain trial.
I'll try, ma'am.
All right, Kamala. Thank you for stepping up and thank you for taking that initiative. All right.
Thank you.
So it's a 4-letter word. You have 8 chances, and we'll be noting down the words, the letters which you are saying.
Okay.
And yeah, so after the 8th chance, if you are unable to identify the letter, I'll be giving that chance to someone else and they'll help you out, or like we'll pass
Okay,
on the
ma'am.
game to the next person. All right.
Sure, ma'am. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
All right. So what's
Okay.
your first word? First letter?
F.
F. So there is no F. All right. So your
Okay.
first chance got over. Now you have 7 more.
K.
K. All right. Let me see if I think, okay. K is not the word. So you have 6 more chances.
6
And
chances.
yes, and I am going to just forward the 3 words. We have 3 words. I'm going to forward the 3 words to Saeed sir here so that he too knows what the words are. All right. And hold on, just 1 second, please. Okay, Saeed sir, please let me know if you got the words. Okay. So you have 6 more chances, Kamala.
Yeah,
Go
ma'am.
ahead.
E.
E. Oh boy, you've got that correct. So E is the second letter in that word.
Okay.
And you have 3 more words, 3 more letters to fill in, and you have 6 more chances.
L.
No, L is not there.
Okay.
You have 4 more. Girls, come on, ladies, help her out. Help her out if you can. If she is stuck, Kamala, please feel
Yeah.
free to reach out to your friends. Ask them, guys, do you have any
Yeah, ma'am.
suggestions? Yeah, this is a team
Yeah, if anybody
activity.
has any suggestion, they'll let me know.
And for all those people who saw the word, please, please don't tell the word right now. Okay, we'll just give this a trial. We'll
That
work
is the
it.
reason I am shutting my mouth.
Thank you so much, Kirtana, for playing fair. All right, Kamala, you go ahead. We have,
Yeah,
anyways,
ma'am.
we have 2 more words. So, yeah, go
A
ahead.
G.
No, G is not there. You have
Okay.
got one letter correct, that is E, and
E.
you have 3 more to fill. Yes.
Okay.
A.
Is that
Yeah.
Khairun? I think Khairun spoke up.
Yes, ma'am.
A.
Kamala, you want to give A a try?
Yeah, ma'am. I'll try.
All right. Unfortunately, A is not there. You have 3 more chances.
Okay. Uh, G.
G, you already said G.
I already said.
Yes.
Okay. J.
No. I'll give you a trick. See,
Okay.
if you don't, so you have an E as the second, in the second place of the word, you have E, right? So try thinking of words which has a second letter as E. Or let's say we have bird. So if you have
Jerk.
B, jog.
No, ma'am. Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
No, jerk is not, because you already said K. So if if
Okay.
K was
Okay.
there,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
would
Yeah.
have informed. So try putting
Okay,
the
ma'am.
words like that. And anybody know A, E, I, O, U vowels? Because
Yeah, ma'am.
most words have vowels there. Vowels and consonants are there. So you can try related vowels and consonants to see if it fits. Okay, you have 3 more chances, Kamala. Go
Okay.
ahead. Feel free.
O.
No, we don't have an O.
Okay.
2 more
Then
chances.
I.
No, but I am pretty sure it's kind of a tough word. Not many can guess it at the first go. It's all right, Kamala. You have 1 more chance.
Yeah. D.
Yes, that's the second word. So D is so the first letter is D and the second letter is E. Now you have 2 more to fill. D E.
D-E. Deck, ma'am. Is it deck? D-E-C-K. Deck.
Nope. Nope, it is not.
Desk. Desk. Okay. Desk. D-E-S-K. Desk.
No. It's a bit higher. It's a bit higher. All right, ladies, help her out. She has exceeded her chances, but that's all right. She did her best. She was the first one who put the initiative to come up. So I really appreciate that. So help her out, ladies. What was the word?
Third letter is a E, ma'am.
It's not E. First one is D, second one is E, and we
And then
have 2
again
more.
E.
Pardon? I
E.
didn't hear you.
E. E. E for elephant. E.
E is the second letter. E is the second letter.
P, ma'am.
Again, I'm telling again. E will come in the third place.
Third place, no, it's not.
Deny, ma'am? Deny?
No, it is not. I think Kirtana is having a lot of fun, you know.
Is the
Kirtana,
demo? Ma'am, is the
no,
demo?
it is
DEMO?
not. No, it's not.
Ma'am, third letter is P, ma'am.
C, no, it's not.
PP.
P, it is not. No. All right, you have
I
26.
saw the word.
Yeah, Samrit saw the word. You
Yes,
guys
sir.
must be
So
having
quiet.
a lot of fun because all of them are really close. They said C, they said so many other
Depth.
words. Yeah, it's depth.
Yeah, good
Someone said
try.
it. It's
Okay.
depth.
Depth.
It's depth.
It's depth.
D-E-B-T.
BT. Yes,
B-T.
it's
Depth.
depth. It's pronounced as a debt.
Depth.
DET, debt. Because the B is very silent.
Silent.
So, yeah, you have to pronounce it that way. So let me see. I have a very not trusting PowerPoint here. So if I click unnecessarily, it will exceed the pages. So let me see if I can go ahead. PowerPoint, all right. So this is the secret picture. So after this picture, the word will be there. All right. So the first word is debt. Now, for many who don't know what the word is, I have written the meaning. Debt is to owe something to someone. So as you see in the picture, it might mean that, so in the picture, it says that this person owes a lot of money. So that is one way of saying the meaning. Or you could say that someone saved your life and you would say that I am indebted to you. I am indebted to you. That is a debt that I cannot ever fulfill or complete. All right. So anyone wants to give the second word? Wants to try for the second word? Come
Yeah,
on.
can I try?
Yeah, Zamrud, go ahead. Let me just. All right, I'm going for the second word. PPT is, yeah, I think I'm in the second word. All right. So second word is, okay, remember the trick, vowels, and once you get the letters, try to form words out of it. So
Yeah.
if once you get one letter in the set words, make sure that it fits the next, all the words that you, all the letters that you say next fits for that word. So you can strike it off. So if it's, let's say have, I've put the next word as have. So if you have a, then a is the second word. So you can have gave, have, gave, different kinds of words, right? So you say letters corresponding to that instead of saying the whole word. Okay, say letters that match. That's the way you don't lose 8 chances. All right, best of luck, Zamrud.
Thank you.
And for your information, the next word is kind of tough too, but
Okay.
all the best.
Thank you.
All right, so go ahead. And ladies,
Again, it's a 4.
yes, it is a 4-letter word. Every word is 4-letter here.
Okay. A.
Nope, but good try. A is a good one. Most words usually have it. It's not here.
U.
You don't have. No,
U.
we don't. We don't have a U.
I.
Nope, we don't
Okay.
have an I.
E.
We have an E, and it is the second place. So after the first letter, the second one is E.
Okay. H.
We do not have a H, but good one.
T.
Close, but no, there is no T.
Close meaning to the sound or to the letter? Are you close to what?
It's close to the letter. Ladies, don't kill me. Kamala will be saying, oh, she told the letter. No, I'm not
So
going to
I
help.
already said U, so it must be yes.
Yes, it is a
Yes.
yes. Yes.
S is the
S is the fourth place of the word.
4th place.
Yes. Now, Kamila, in my defense, she has got a tough word. She's never going to guess it correctly. She'll so.
It's okay, ma'am.
It's just for fun, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. I'm just trying to pull her leg. Come on, Zamrud. Give it another
So how
go.
many chances have I exhausted?
You have already lost 5 of your chances, if I'm not right. If
I
I'm
have
correct.
3 more chances.
Yes, you have.
Okay. L.
No, we do not have an L. But again, you are a bit close.
If I tell the word also, you'll consider it as a chance, is it?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
It is a tough word. It's I'm not going to say anything more, or else I'll say the word.
Okay. No, it's okay. Let me try. H, no, L.
How many of you like the game that we are playing? Give me a thumbs up. Because if you want more games, I'll try to include it in the upcoming sessions. And I'll make sure that you all get a chance.
Ma'am, the word, if I say, is it okay?
Yeah, go ahead. Kamla, go ahead.
Is it less? L-E-S-S.
S,
No, it's
then
not.
she should have told.
It's not. It's actually a noun. So I'm
Noun,
giving
okay.
a help for who was it? Samrit. Yeah. So it's actually a container. It's a container. So it's a noun. Something similar. Yeah, something which means in a way container, not in the exact way, but it is a container.
Container, you mean?
Yes, container. Something. It's like a jar. Something we keep certain, let's say, food items or.
Ma'am, shall I give it try?
Yeah, Roxana, go ahead.
Is that kegs? Is that kegs?
She got it.
Kegs.
She got it. It's correct.
Yeah.
Kegs. How did you guess
Thank
it?
you.
Yeah, how did you
You
guess
gave
it?
a kind of like as a clue, right? So that's what I got the answer.
Wow. Wow. Zamrut, you gave a absolutely brilliant try. I respect you for that. Really good one, man. Really good one.
Thank you.
All right. So I'll just, for all those who doesn't know what a keg is, I'll show you. So this is actually a keg. So you might have seen in Tom and Jerry and different, older cartoons, similar containers. So the word is kegs actually, and kegs are like small barrels which are mainly used to store beer. Yeah, so usually it stores beer. In other parts, they store non-alcoholic drinks as well. So that is one. So we learned two words today. The first one is debt, and the second one is kegs.
Kegs.
Yeah. Now, who wants to give a third try? We have one more letter left. And what is the time? Oh, it's almost 5:30. All right. You, anyone, please.
Myself, ma'am.
Oh, Kirtana, she is already loving it. Once she knew the first letter, first word, she's like, all right, I'm going to give the next try. Come on. All right. I hope you have fun. And again, it is a 4-letter word and you have 8 chances.
E.
All right. E. Nope.
O.
No, there is no O.
Oh my God.
It's a different word, but you will get it. Keep trying. Yes.
N.
No.
Yes.
She's using. She's very clever. She's using the most commonly used words, letters in a word. So no S, dear. There is no S. Come on, you can do it. I'm pretty sure you can.
A.
Good one. There is an A. A
Wow.
is in the second place.
Oh.
We have an A, and you have you used up 3 chances.
Okay.
Go ahead.
R.
R. No, there is. Girls, come on, help her out, please.
I. Kitna, you
Oh.
can go for I.
Okay. I.
Well, Kamala said it right. There is an I.
Thank you.
And, and that is the third place. So you have an A
place.
and an I. You just need to figure out the first word and the last word.
R.
First letter and the last letter.
N.
No.
Can I say N?
No. Already said
Said
R. N is not there.
Okay.
No N.
Okay. Nail.
No.
Oh.
Is it raid, ma'am?
No.
There's no N, no.
I already said R.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Brainstorm. It's a different word. I don't know how many have heard this word before. I thought of giving a tough one. So, brainstorm. It's all right. Guess it. We'll get it correctly.
F.
Nope.
Oh my God.
But you were close. Oh my God. There I am again. Come on, give it a try.
Is there a B?
M.
There is no B. There is no M.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not get the chat. I was not able to see the chat. So Umris said debt earlier. Thank you, Umris. And someone said department, DPT. Depth, tail. Wow, thank you. No, none of that. All right. Kirtana, another try. You have said words that are very close to the said words. So
Give a clue, ma'am.
Yeah.
it's a posture actually. It's a form of walking, to be precise. Now, don't Google. I'm just giving you a clue. It's related to posture.
Relate to?
Posture. How you
posture. Okay. Yeah.
how you sit, how you walk, perhaps, maybe. Okay, I am giving the answer. No. Don't, Vaishnavi. My lips are sealed. Anyone? You heard a try to help Kirtana.
Is it laid, ma'am? Laid?
No.
Laid.
No, it's a toughie. Kirtana, നമ്മള് we Malayalis say കണ്ണു അടച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു വാക്കങ്ങ് പറയാന്ന് പറയും. So let's close your eyes and just give a random guess. No, Yasmin, it's not.
Totally confused.
I know how similar it is. Yeah, I know. It's a word so many of you must not have heard. But I'll go easy on you in the future, I promise. So, any letter. Go ahead.
J?
No, it's not J. No, it's not J. Another one.
Let me know the name. It's very tough.
No, it's all right. Keep guessing. Someone will say the correct letter. I'm pretty sure. Keep guessing.
Yasmin said paid.
No, there is no P and there is no D.
In the chat box.
Yeah, but it's not that. Another letter. Come on, we have about 26, right? 26 letters in the English alphabet. Come on, girls. You've only given me what? About, you've given me 8 plus A and I, so that means 10. You've got another 16 to go. Come on. It's all right. The chances, we forget the chances. This is your first try. Go ahead.
What a kind-hearted person you are.
Samruth, you want to help her out?
No, I'm just thinking. You said there is no L, there is no S, no?
EONSAIFTRMB.
Who said T?
PD.
Who said T?
T myself. T.
Oh, you said T. I'm so sorry.
Already I said, oh my God.
I did not hear T. I'm so sorry. So
Tiger, you mean tiger? T for tiger.
Yes, T for tiger.
Oh my God.
That is the last word. That's the last place. Fourth place is T. So you have AIT. Now you need to know.
Oh my God, first letter.
Yes.
Is it W?
No, it's not. Remember, ladies, it is related to posture. It is related to walking. So the word is related to posture. The word is related to walking. So it's not weight. All right. Come on, you can get it. If you don't know, then just guess another letter. What's there to lose?
C, D, E, F.
I'm hearing very, very closely if she's saying the correct word.
Do you have a G?
Is it bait, ma'am? B? No, B is
No. Samruth said it correctly. It's a G. It's a G. The word is gate. Yes, it's gate.
Okay.
Gate. Oh.
Gate. Say pronounced exactly like gate. The gate that we close in our homes.
Yeah.
It's a way of walking, actually. So I'll just show you the word. 1 second, please. It's gait, and it's a person's manner of walking. It's a way someone walks. So if you have seen, athletes have a different way of walking, models have a different way of walking. So gait is an expression which means a person's manner of walking. You can Google to know more. You see, if you can see in the picture, there are three people. A lady is standing in a different way. Another person is walking in a different way, and the third person is walking just like our dear who was it, Rajnikant. He has this big and bold, stylish manner of walking, right? So that's the third word for the day. Now I am just going to stop sharing, and I know we have crossed our limit by 10 minutes, but I really hope that all right, I think I have unmuted. All right. So give me a thumbs up if you want more games like this in the upcoming session. And I am really happy to see each and every one of you here who really made a difference, who spoke up. I really appreciate that. Oh, and I'm getting a lot of thumbs. And thank you so much, sisters. Thank you for participating. Thank you for being interactive. Thank you for having a lot of energy. And I will see you next week. And I expect to see each and every one of you here because we are going to have a much rocking session. Believe me, I just got you all out. Now we are going to have a thrilling session the next time. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Have a
Akka.
nice
Thank
day.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vaishnavi.
happy to hear that. Said sir, you there? If you can,
Yeah, thank you.
you
Yeah,
can
now I'm
end the
going to
session.
close the session. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you all.
sisters. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you.